Hey guys, thought I'd do another video. Trying, what you mean? I thought I'd do a video because I was bored, so I wanted to do a video. Yeah. Train's all on. He's on till 6 tonight because at 7 I'm going to start a live stream and I'm going to try again to upload Sunday's video of Train, the second video,
and £1 coins.
in any order. Change is not given. Yeah, I did 2 videos on Sunday. The second one that I could not get uploaded, it was 34 minutes long, and the second one, the first one that I did was 47 minutes, and that was longer than that, so I don't understand why that didn't upload properly. I'll try again though tonight, so good luck for me. It's only going to be half an hour I think today, this video, so yeah. So I'll get money out. The trap mode will go off, by the way.
What did it say?
Or will it?
What did it say?
Go on, have a go. Thank you. Thank you.
For goodness, I thought I said 3-0 then.
Are you ready? Hold tight. Here we go.
With the second A with an O. That's what I thought it looked like. Here's what they need. Reggie the magic roundabout. Here's what they need. Raise up your heart, always all around. And the Sunday, that's what I need. Get to share with you, but the dance one. Come on the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you, just for you. Sing no zen alone. When's your magic round you on? Waiting for you. Sing the zen, it's for you. Come on the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you.
Don't forget, you have more rides left. Are you ready? Hold tight. Here we go.
Here's one in Reggie the magic roundabout. Here's one in raise out your heart, always all around. I know someone else wants to need. Get to share with you, but the dance warmer. Come on the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you, just for you. Sing a zen alone. When's your magic round you on? Waiting for you. Sing a zen, it's for you. Come on the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you.
Don't forget, you have more rides left. Are you ready? Hold tight. Here we go.
We're enjoying it, guys. Here's my name. Where do you need the magic roundabout? Here's my name. Where's our job? Always all around. Wondering. It's a show with you, with the dance round. Come on the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you, just for you. Single handles live alone. Push the magic round you want. Waiting for you, sing the dance, waiting for you. Come on the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you.
Hope to see you again soon. Have a nice day.
Want another go, guys? I do. Actually, I use those 50s and then 10s actually.
Thank you. 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 Are you ready?
4.
Hold tight. Here we go.
Here's my name. Wait, you need the magic roundabout. Here's my name. Raise our jaw, always all around. That's what you mean. You just with you, with the dance round. Come on the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you, just for you. Sing those animals in alone. Was your magic round you want? Waiting for you. Sing those animals, it's for you. Come on the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you.
Don't forget, you have more rides left. Are you ready? Hold tight. Here we go.
That's it, train. Get your motor started. Woo! Genie. We need the magic roundabout. It's when in raise up Joker, always all around. And also love this one's a name. It's a show with you, with the dust runner. Come on the magic roundabout. For the beat and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you, just for you. Signals and along. What's your magic round you want? Waiting for you. Signals and it's for you. Come on the magic roundabout. From the beat and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you.
Don't forget, you have more rides left. Are you ready? Hold tight. Here we go.
It's Wanini. We really need the magic roundabout. It's Wanini. Raise up Joha, always all around. And that's what this world to me. I got my foot on him, guys. It's a show with you for the dance floor now. Come on the magic roundabout. For the beat and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you, just for you. Sing along. There's your magic round you want, waiting for you. Sing it's for you. Look at him moving, guys. Come on the magic roundabout. For the beat and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you.
Don't forget, you have more rides left.
Let's go. Well, not
Are
let's
you
go,
ready?
but
Hold tight. Here we go.
whoever's watching, feel free if you want to sing as well. It's Wanini. We need magic roundabout. It's Wanini. Raise up Joker, always all around. The lost and that's what I mean. It's a show with you with the dance runner. Come on the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you, just for you. Sing no zen alone. What's your magic round you want? I want it. It's for you. Come on the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you.
Hope to see you again soon. Have a nice day.
There's a trick, guys. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put you there. No, that's particular. I'm going to put you there. No, about there so you can hear the song better. I'm gonna not sing this one though. I'm gonna let you listen to him without me singing, alright? Actually, yeah, alright.
Thank you.
I'm not gonna sing this one, alright? You can just.
Are you ready? Hold tight. Here we go. Hope to see you again soon. Have a nice day.
I'm gonna let you watch the screen now.
Thank you.
Hope that was loud enough for you.
Are you ready?
Listen to it
Hold
again
tight.
without me singing.
Here we
alright?
go.
I'm gonna get £2 ready, alright?
Hope to see you again soon. Have a nice day. Thank you. Thank you.
That was hard, not me singing, but.
Are you ready? Hold tight. Here we go.
His winning name brings a joker always all around. That's what you mean. It's a shot with the dust right now. Come on the magic round and bounce for the beat and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you, just for you. Signal zone along. What is the magic round your arms? What's it for you? Sailor's eye, it's for you. Come on the magic roundabout, follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you.
Don't forget, you have more rides left. Are you ready? Hold tight. Here we go.
Hey, Swanina, bring a genie meets the magic roundabout. Hey, Swanina, raise up Joe, always all around. What's a name? It's a show with you with the dust one. Come on the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you, just for you. Sing Mozart, sing along. Where's your magic round your arms? Waiting for you, sing the song, waiting for you. Come on the magic roundabout, follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you.
Don't forget, you have more rides left. Are you ready? Hold tight. Here we go.
Hey, Swanina, bring a genie meets the magic roundabout. Hey, Swanina, brings out Joe, always all around. What's your name? It's a show with you with the dance one. Come on the magic roundabout, follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you, just for you. Sing Mozart, sing along. Where's your magic round your arms? Waiting for you, sing the song, it's for you. Come on the magic roundabout, follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you.
Hope to see you again soon. Have a nice day.
You tired now, Trine? Probably not.
Daisy,
What?
you know what?
Get it?
I hope that audio was alright for you when I weren't singing it the first time anyway. His start button's a bit warm at the minute, so I'm gonna leave him for 5 minutes. Oh god, I nearly went bloody flying then.
Daisy,
Hello, what's your name? Would you like to have a go?
I'd love to have another go yet, mate, but your start button's warm. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna really try hard to get this the other video up tonight. The one that I did Sunday. I really want that video up. You lot will love it. I don't know why it doesn't process properly though. I don't know why. Actually, what I might do, I might try and get my laptop on actually and see if that will work by that way. If it don't, then yeah. Because what I do, I edit my videos on my tablet
For
and I
further information about our rides, call
News and Leisure on 0113 239 3803. Yeah, so what I do is I usually upload I edit my videos and upload videos on my tablet, but the only videos I upload on my computer are my Roblox videos.
You're reading your book first. You are reading your book. So you don't need it. Daisy. No tackling. Good.
Sorry about that.
this ride will accept
10p, 20p, 50p and £1 coins in any order. Change is not given. Yeah, so what I do in my videos, I'll tell you now. So what I do, I edit my videos and upload the videos on my tablet. The only times I upload my videos on my computer are like Roblox videos and such. When Ethan gave me the train video, that is Morrison's, but the one before, the one that was at Morrison's but it left, I uploaded that on the computer, but my computer, it didn't say that the file was readable. I don't know why. I don't know why the hell, but yeah.
Go on, have a go.
Train, I think if your start button's still warm, I won't be having a go on yet. That your start button needs to cool down at least a bit because that's quite warm. And considering how that is, right, train, I mean it. You're only having 3 goes, all right. He's asking for more, guys. Wow. I'm giving him a cuddle. Well, I tried to give him a cuddle. What I like to do, I like to lean over him and give him a cuddle. That's my thing I do with him.
Children using this ride should be supervised by a parent or guardian. Thank you. Are you ready? Hold tight. Here we go.
Here's when they name Reggie Neely, the magic roundabouts. Here's when they name Razor Joha, always all around. And I said that this was the name. Get to share with you with the dance runner. Come on, the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you, just for you. Sing no zen alone. Was your magic round you on? Waiting for you. Sing no zen, it's for you. Come on the magic roundabout, follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you.
Don't forget, you have more rides left. Are you ready? Hold tight. Here we go.
Here's what you need. What you need the magic roundabout. Here's what they need. Raise out your heart, always all around. And I'll sing down that's what you mean. Need to share with you, but the dance wanna. Come on the magic roundabout, follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you, just for you. Sing no zen alone. Where's your magic round you on? Waiting for you. Sing no zen, that's for you. Come on the magic roundabout, follow me and you'll be fine. There's only friends waiting for you.
Don't forget, you have more rides left. Are you ready? Hold tight. Here we go.
It's when it ain't. When you need some magic roundabout. It's when it ain't. Brings out your heart, always all around. And I think that's what I need. It's a show with you, but the dance runner. Come on the magic roundabout, follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you, just for you. Sing no zen alone. What your magic round you on? Waiting for you. Sing the zen, it's for you. Come on the magic roundabout, follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you.
Hope to see you again soon. Have a nice day.
Guys, I'm gonna end the video now as I just want to do something, alright? So, well, not do something, but I want to stop the video now, alright? It's gone 34 minutes now anyway, so yeah. So, hope you all enjoyed the video and I'll see you on the stream. The video will be uploaded the same time as the stream, but yeah, I'll see you on the stream and hopefully I can get the other video up. Bye guys.
Go on, have a go.